Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Titan XD. The powerful Nissan Titan XD provides a heavy-duty capable vehicle with a very pleasant driving experience. Innovation within the Titan XD stands out and rounds out this fantastic truck and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, chrome wheels, alloy wheels, running boards, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.